Good morning. Happy Friday to you. Joel 3:10 says, "Let the weak say I am strong. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say I am strong. Let the poor say I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give thanks. So what's that verse? Joel 3:10. Let the weak say I am strong. I think I've got a little hiccup in my giddyup. Yeah, I do. I'm not walking with a cane today, so that's progress. My husband found a knee brace, so I put that thing on, and I think it's helping. Yep. Get one foot in front of the other. Got to share God's light with the world. Tonight I'm going to be competing for a opportunity to share God's light on a big stage. Hang on, Keon. Come here. There's a big truck coming. Got all those youngsters, those bands, those talented kids. Good morning. They don't know this little great grandma's coming to visit. Yeah, we're going to share God's light. It's going to be wonderful. And I pray that they are all encouraged and God will be glorified. These are all Christian artists. So it's going to be fun. I'll do the best I can and keep getting one foot in front of the other. But I wanted to tell you something I've been thinking about this morning. You know, I've always heard that if you want to be better, if you want to improve, you want to be stronger, smarter, you want to do a good job, then surround yourself with people that are smarter and stronger, more talented, have more experience. And this whole thing with the International Singer-Songwriter Association has done that for me in many ways. Of course, I've met a lot of smart, talented, wonderful people in the 2 years. Has it been 2 years since February of 2023? Oh, the Lord has put some really amazing people in my life to help me to follow the calling that He's placed on my life. And I've got a lot of people I need to thank. And if I started listing their names, well, we wouldn't get through this video in a little bitty minute. It would be very, very long. But this past weekend is no exception. There's so many people that I'm thinking about. Added them to my prayer list. Yes, I have. People from all over the world. And I'm inspired to be better, to do better, to work harder. so that I can, good morning, so that I can do a better job at this thing, this music ministry that God has called me to. Morning. And wow, well, it's exciting. Well, I just want to thank you. Tonight is going to be a lot of fun. I don't know if you can watch it online or not, but check out my Facebook page and you'll get all the details. And we'll just keep moving forward, one foot after the other. Knee brace and all. We ain't quitting. We're going to follow the Lord. Well, whatever you're going through, if you feel weak today, know that you're strong in the Lord. And whatever you need, He's faithful. And He will help you. You be blessed today. I got a big day ahead. And I'll talk to you later.